So some of my intermediate to advanced students ask me, Sid, I've been playing guitar solos for a few years. I can improvise a solo, but I still feel like something's not connecting. How do I break through to the next level? So one of the things that really helped me break through to the next level is having an awareness of what the changes are while the music is playing. So a lot of guitar players are so sort of absorbed in the solo and the technique and the things and the notes that they have to hit that they're not even listening to the changes sometimes. So one of the exercises to help you develop that awareness of where the changes are or where you are in the changes, that is, I think, one of the most important skills that you can develop. That's you're developing your ability to listen while you're playing, right? So one of the things that really helps is just playing 12 bar blues changes, right? So not actually hearing the chords, but sort of having an awareness of where you are. So instead of just going and sort of like playing it that way, you're gonna go. Kind of something like that. So just knowing where the changes are, moving from the 4 chord to the 5 chord back to the one, and trying to outline those changes and hit chord tones and stuff like that. The 12 bar blues is probably the easiest way to get into that sort of thing, and then once you have an awareness in that sense, you can also start expanding to other genres of music, more complex chord structures and stuff like that. Okay, I hope that helps. See you in the next one.